Hey guys, it's Miriam Florio. Today we're going to be talking about bettering communication between your accounting team and your sales team. So a lot of times salespeople will go and try to sell as much product as they can, but they might not be aware of an accounting issue that exists for that customer. And so when accounting has an actual issue like a credit hold that they've placed on a customer record, you'd want to reflect that inside of Dynamics 365 so that your sales team knows not to put an order through or to hopefully convince the customer to pay their bills and proceed with the sale that they want to make. So we actually have an add-on for this inside of Dynamics 365. Let's take a look at what it does and how it can help you. So I'm focused on an account right here, Alpine Ski House. And as you can see, it's just a simple account page. I have my 2017 update, so it looks nice and clean. We've added a field here called credit hold, and that's part of the add-on. I'm going to select this credit hold checkbox. Now what your accounting team can do is either automate the credit hold checkbox selection by performing data uploads, imports into the system that show all of the records and update them that have credit holds on them. So that might be a daily process or a weekly process, whatever works for your industry and your business. And so that value gets checked. Now that's pretty simple. We can all add a field to a screen and indicate some kind of change on a record. However, let's take a look here. So we've got a credit hold. When I select this checkbox, I'm not sure if you noticed, but the top of my screen changed colors. And this is part of the magic of the add-on. So I'm selecting credit hold and you can see the top of my screen, the account name Alpine Ski House has changed to a blue color. Now we can make this any color that you want. It just happens to be in blue on this particular example. So I have this account highlighted. Now what happens? I'm a salesperson. I come in to do business with Alpine Ski House. So I'll select the record. And when I pull the record up, I notice at the top of my screen, I'm being notified that there's something on the account that I need to look at. In this example, the account name changes because a credit hold has been placed on the customer. And so that notifies my salesperson to say, wait, before you put a sales order through, you might want to talk to them about why their account is on a credit hold. Oftentimes, a salesperson talking to a purchaser or buyer at a company can get that credit hold released because they can maybe help push through something that might be held up on their end through their accounting side. Oftentimes, there'll be something stagnant or a check that just hasn't gone out yet, and a salesperson can quickly ask for that, get that payment sent through, and then hopefully release the credit hold. So it's a really handy utility. And all I need to do is deselect that to release the credit hold. Now you can also apply security to that field so that only accounting people can actually control the credit hold release or putting it in place. Hopefully this helps. If you want to get the add-on, please contact us. We'll help you get this item installed on your Dynamics 365 instance. Join me next time for more information on Dynamics 365. Thanks.